Welcome to Rescheck.info, the #1 source for high-quality, low-cost, fast turnaround Rescheck reports. Get your Rescheck started now. This post is brought to you by the Rescheckspert blog, the web's #1 blog and resource on Reschecks, green homes, insulation, building components, and energy efficiency. Today we want to talk to you about Georgia Reschecks and which code you should use. Georgia Reschecks. The Georgia Energy Code, IECC 2012 or IECC 2015. A state we see plenty of Rescheck questions from is the state of Georgia. The toughest part about Georgia and their Rescheck process is that in the past 3 days I've seen 3 different jurisdictions using 3 different codes. There's special ways to wade through which code is correct for your Rescheck project. Today we'll discuss the type of code and your options if you're building a new home in Georgia. Georgia is a very diverse state with varying geographical areas, plains on the west, mountains to the north, and the coast of the Atlantic Ocean on the east, and the humongous concrete jungle of Atlanta and its urban sprawl in the upper middle of the state. These features all offer extreme variance as to how a home and its insulation envelope will perform against its climate zone. When performing a Rescheck in Georgia, the 3 most common codes we see being used are as follows: Georgia Energy Code, IECC 2012, and IECC 2015. So how do you know which code is correct for your project? The key lies in your individual building department. At Rescheck.info, we make the effort to contact every building department we create a Rescheck for. This way we can iron out specific details of every project before ever calculating the first Rescheck component. Other companies actually charge you extra for them to make sure they are doing your Rescheck correctly. We find that unbelievable and unacceptable. After you know whether your Georgia Rescheck requires the Georgia Energy Code, IECC 2012 or IECC 2015, all you need to do is measure your building components, enter them into the Rescheck software, and print off a signed copy of your completed Rescheck report. You'll then turn your entire Georgia Rescheck packet into your local building department with your plans. Your building inspector will contact you with any feedback they might have. If by chance you're building a new home construction project in Georgia and find the different Georgia codes, Rescheck software, and the entire Rescheck process way too tedious, we've created a Georgia Rescheck service for you at just $79. We can complete your Rescheck in 4 to 6 hours, offer free unlimited changes for the life of your project, and give you the warmest, friendliest customer service you'll receive during the entire duration of your construction project, guaranteed. To get started, you can either email service@rescheck.info, give us a call at 865-235-6277, or come up here to the top of the rescheck.info page, go to the $79 report, click on that, go down to the $79 plan, click Buy Now. Then you're ready to go. Your Rescheck started. Thank you very much for listening. Look forward to hearing from you soon.